The small block Chevrolet cast iron Vortec head is an awesome cylinder head for circle track, boat, street type applications. It produces an incredible amount of torque and a much better cylinder head than the older double hump heads and so on. Whenever we have the opportunity to recommend the cylinder head, we do over those other cylinder heads. So you'd be well served to look at the Vortec heads if they're legal for your particular application. Now, a lot of information about the Vortec cylinder heads. You look on the internet and there are all kinds of things about different flow numbers and what head to run. There's about 5 different versions of the cylinder head. The original 906s that came on passenger car vehicles back in the late 90s, and then the 062s, and then there was a service replacement 906. And there's currently 2 different versions of the Mexican Vortec cylinder head. So the important thing is to get the correct cylinder head on your vehicle, whether it's a race car, a boat, or tractor, whatever. This is one of the original Chevrolet heads. This is an 062 Canadian head. It's a used cylinder head. It does not have Mexico in the valve cover area. This is the type of cylinder head that we do not use any longer. We tried to use used cylinder heads for a while, but the cracking issues trying to get cores in, they were cracked across the exhaust seats, across the head bolt holes, just become very, very problematic. And then when you put them in service on a 400, 450 horsepower motor, you had more issues. So what we defaulted to was the brand new head from Chevrolet. Now, this is a good solid casting. Of course, it's brand new. It's not 25 years old. It is made in Mexico. From a porting standpoint, a performance standpoint, it leaves a little bit to be desired, but from a structural standpoint, it works really, really well. So this is currently what we use when we start with Vortec cylinder heads. Now, if you have a set of Vortec heads, whether they're the new ones or used ones, we can certainly modify those, do whatever porting or undercover porting you choose you want to have us do to them. But when we do cylinder heads, we start with the best head available, and that's going to be the brand new Chevrolet Mexican Vortec head, and modify it. In the next video, we'll talk about the modifications that we'll do to this new Chevrolet Vortec head.